Hello friends, this is Yutika and welcome back to my channel yutiarts. Actually it's been time now I'm painting, so thought of testing myself. Actually I have participated in an online painting competition in beginners category, and today's painting is going to be the one for the competition. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Today we are going to paint on black canvas. It is also called black canvas painting. If black canvas is not available with you, you can always color your white canvas with black color or gesso, as I did. We are starting by painting the bottom center with pink, light pink, brilliant purple, blue as we go further, and also blending it properly. We will be painting a pink moon here. To show these stars, we are sprinkling white color using a fan brush. To paint the moon, I have made a stencil out of a piece of paper cut in a circular shape. I will just dab the colors with a sponge and give a desired shade to the moon. The moon which I painted earlier, I felt it was a bit small, so I made another stencil with a more bigger circle and repeated the process. I sketched an angel on a piece of paper, and then with the help of the cutout of the angel, I have sketched on canvas with white color. Starting the shading process, you can shade with colors as you like. Since I painted a pink moon, I am shading the angel with light pink color. to show more twinkling stars around the angel, I am making small circles using light pink color and then just putting a dot of white color in the center. To show the divine light of the angel, I am using a toothbrush and spraying white color around the angel. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe yutiarts if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.